So we're watching the potential for strong to severe storms, but we already have some activity on radar. And I can't tell, I believe this is our Cedar Hill camera. Yeah, it looks so cloudy out there. It's cloudy, it's humid, and this is what radar looks like. We are seeing a few showers, mainly to the south and some to the west, but these are all kind of closing in on DFW. They're moving to the north. These are not expected to be severe. I do want to emphasize that, but you may be seeing a few showers out there between now and say 1 in the afternoon. I'm also watching these thunderstorms in Oklahoma. Those are severe. Now, those will continue to move towards the east. I'm not expecting that particular cluster to move into North Texas, but we'll be watching this area because we'll see these storms kind of progress towards the south. And as that happens, a few of those storms could cause some heavy rainfall, which is why a flood watch is in place that I told you about at the top of the hour. 1 to 3 inches of rain area wide could be seen, an isolated amount up to 5 inches of rain closer towards central Texas, so just to the south of the Metroplex. And this is going to be in place through Thursday evening. On top of that, we have the enhanced risk for severe weather. That's a level 3 out of 5 for the likelihood of strong to severe storms. That means scattered severe thunderstorms will be possible. With the strongest of storms, golf ball size hail, not completely rolled out. We could see some pretty gusty winds up to about 60 miles per hour, and we're not ruling out the potential for an isolated tornado. As far as the timing goes, it looks like we're going to see some of the stronger storms popping up early afternoon along our northern counties. This is Wednesday at 2 in the afternoon, and you can see those really bright colors indicating that. I'm going to fast forward to 3 in the afternoon. You see higher coverage of this. This is now 4 in the afternoon, still to the north of DFW. This is 5 in the afternoon. We still see some better coverage along our Red River counties. Now this is 6. We still see some of that activity across Denton, maybe even Collin County. Around 7, a lot of this starts to shift towards the south of Interstate 20, but not completely rolling out. Still some of those lingering storms through the evening time. Now overnight, we're going to see this activity really lower in coverage, but it's not going to completely go away. We'll still probably see some scattered activity, but the severe threat will be lower. Thursday, more storms in store. This time, a big portion of North Texas under a slight risk. That's level 2 out of 5. Similar risk, large hail, strong winds. There is a low isolated tornado risk as well. We could be seeing some storms moving along our southern counties in the morning. I just showed you between 7 a.m. and noon. And then in the afternoon, another round possible for areas to the east of DFW. So we'll be watching. This could change depending on how today's storms end up. Okay, so be sure to keep checking in with us, especially into the morning time as well. So the risk for severe weather is high today at an enhanced risk. It's a level 3. We're at a slight risk, a level 2 tomorrow, another slight risk on Saturday. Okay, so that's something to also consider for any weekend plans. Between now and Memorial Day, we could see 1 to 2 inches area wide for DFW, but look at the higher amounts to the south, close to Meridian and Hillsborough. Now, DBU right now showing 83 degrees. It's cloudy, it's humid, and that's indicating a higher heat index. So today, the high temperature of 88 likely happens around 2 in the afternoon. It'll feel like 96 when you factor in the humidity. And the heat index, something to absolutely consider this weekend. Look at the highs, 90s. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but the triple-digit heat index will be likely Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So on top of the stormy weather, we also have to be paying close attention to the heat over the weekend, Tashara.
Thank you so much, Maria, for that.